for being a little savage. Just a little ratchet tonight. Matter of fact, at the end of it, we're gonna go melodies from heaven. We are living in a time right now where the world is just out of control. But y'all have the power to control it. Stop living in the life of, if my mans ain't going, I ain't going. Be a leader. We need them. We need them. And everybody in here is a leader. Don't just lead to get the Jordans. Lead to be the next person that makes the Jordans. Own Jordan. Make sure that everybody that's sitting in here wears your brand. I ain't gonna preach to y'all, man. Y'all looking at me like, okay, how many times am I hear this? No, seriously, man. Let's be great. Let's be great. Okay, so since the parents is so old, can we get the kids hype? Let's go. A copy of my book hasn't been, it's only been out since January 5th. It's been doing very, very well. But it's very, very candid. I mean, I get down to the point of me loving SVU. Anybody love SVU? It's my show. I can binge all day. And I watch the same episodes. So, the book is called Reality Sold Separately. It is available on Amazon, okay? I know that's a plug. Kill me later, Dex. But that's for you. The one that's not signed, I will sign. That's yours. Okay. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yeah. Dad, bring your children. Came up here and flushed me out in the middle of my show. You gotta see my kids. Bring me your kids. Where the kids? Bring me your kids. Come in. Bring me your kids. Come on. Wait, hold on. Oh, pause. These are your kids? Wait a minute. Is there a logical explanation for this? Somebody else shouted because I'm charging. There's an entry fee. We got to get back to me. Come here, come on. Now we're going to do this real quick. Come on.